Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quick how you can easily create image like this one in Midjourney AI. So it's very simple, guys. First thing you need to do is go over to this webpage midjourney.com. Click in sign in, and you have to create your Discord account by typing your email, username, and then your password, date of birth. So when you have done that, then go over to your email and you will get email like this, Discord verify email address for Discord. So you have to click on verify email right here and it will take you to Discord. And then you have to go back to Midjourney to click authorize here to authorize external application Midjourney bot to access to your Discord account. Click on authorize. And then it will take you to your Midjourney profile. As you can see, here are some arts that I have generated already. You can go over to explore page to see what others have generated as well. So go back to your home page, and when you have no apps generated, you will have here a button which says connect to your Discord account. So click on that and accept invite from Midjourney to your Discord. It will open your Discord account and server Midjourney with 15 million members in it. Just go over to your direct messages and Midjourney bot, scroll down and type /imagine and then space, and it will say prompt, and here you can type what you want to Midjourney to create for you. So let's say monster in a little water bottle with cap open, realistic, and then -- AR, which stands for aspect ratio, and then you select aspect ratio that you want it to be in. So for example, 16:9 or 9:16 or any aspect ratio that you want. Then simply press enter. And now, as you can see, it is creating my image, but in your instance, it will prompt you to accept their terms of service. So it will appear a message like this, and there will be button accept TOS. So click on that. And then it may prompt you to subscribe to their plan. So select that $10 one or $8 one if you are paying annually. And just to try it, you can pay $8 to try it out, and then you can cancel subscription. So as you can see, it is generating my image. So we will wait for that, and I will show you how it looks and how you can upscale it or change it. So as you can see, it is done. And now when I bring it up, these are 4 drafts that Midjourney has created for me. And now I have options. Let's say I like this one, and you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and upscale 3. You can also get version 3, so variations 3. So make variations of this picture, but I like it, so I want to upscale it. So I click on upscale 3, and then I will wait until it upscales it and makes it more realistic, so I can download it, and I will show you how to download it as well. And now, as you can see, it is done. When I open it and then click on open in browser, so you can see, wow, that's insane. Look how crisp it is. That's awesome. AI has come a long way in the past years, as you can see. So it's pretty awesome, right? It's realistic as well. So if you want to download this image, I will show you how to do that. You have to go over to your Midjourney profile, refresh it, and then as you can see, your new image has appeared in your Midjourney portfolio, and you can click on it. It will load up for you. You can just look at it, and in order to save it, just press this icon save. And as you can see, it saved it, and I can open it. Just close this one, and voila, your art is done. So this is how you create an image in Midjourney using AI. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. Watch my other videos and tutorials on Midjourney in this channel playlist Midjourney, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.